In this video, I'll show you how you can use the Edit Image tool to make changes to images and adjust things like the lighting in the room, enhancing colors in the image, or changing the color of objects. We'll start with this image. You could use a photo of your client's home, a reference image, or even an image you generated. I'm going to select the image and choose the Edit Image tool. Here you can give a prompt for how you would like to change the image. There's also suggestions for what changes you can make here. For the most successful outcome, keep your instructions simple. It's better to reiterate than to make too many changes at once. The more precise language you use, the better the results, so be sure to mention specific objects or areas. Try to describe what you want rather than what you don't. The Remove Objects tool is what you should use in this case. I've decided that I want to use the suggestion to decorate the room with some plants and add more lighting. Below, we can see the original version of the image and all versions you generated through prompts, so you can easily switch between. You can also see these under uploads or more images back on the board. Another valuable use of the tool is to see what the room would look like with different amounts of light. I'll type out my prompt and press send. The image will appear below the prompt box. More applications include making the room generally brighter, like you see here. And here I've added some dishes to the table to give the client a better feel of what the space could look like when in use. As I mentioned earlier, all generated versions of an image will appear in uploads. You could easily flick between the versions and click the one you want to add to your board. The tool can also be used for objects and mood boards. Here I have a table that I would like instead to have a marble tabletop. I'll select the image, go to retouch, and enter in the prompt. So easy. Again, we have the original version of the image and all the versions you generated. Back on my board, I'll press Remove Background and resize it. Next, we have this image of an armchair in a room that I'd like to see at night. We'll go to Edit Image and choose one of the suggested prompts saying to show the room at night with the lights. For the final use, I have an armchair that I would like to change the color of. I'll go to Edit Image, and in the prompt box, I'll say that I want to change the fabric's color to maroon. Then here we have the finished result. That's everything you need to know about getting started with using this very powerful tool to bring your design process to the next level.